right, if you think back, in the wintertime, your heater was working great, right? Your AC may be working great now, but what about when you have to go back to your heater? Right? You don't know, right? All this stuff, it does have a tendency to fail. That's just what happens to equipment in our home. So how do you make sure you keep everything in your home working in tip-top condition? You call Jay Kline from Penguin Air Plumbing and Electrical, and he will make sure that he sends out the right people to make sure that everything is working properly.
Yeah.
So let's talk about that, Jay. We're talking about air conditioning, which is super important right now, but we get into the seasons coming up. Things start to fail because they haven't been working for a while, like the heater.
Yes.
How do we know that's going to work?
Yeah, so that's actually one of the biggest things is here in Arizona, we have gas furnaces, but a lot of our houses only have electric. So people don't realize their air conditioner works the exact same 100% of the time. In heating, just flips a valve in there.
Ooh.
That's literally it. So they think, hey, I made it through the summer, it was super hot, no worries, we're going into the winter. Well, unfortunately, your air conditioner that ran all summer is now gonna run all winter for you.
Right, because it's the same piece of equipment.
Yep.
Gosh.
Yeah.
I never thought about that.
Yeah.
All right, that hurts. All right, but we got to make sure we maintain it.
Yes.
So how do we do that? We give you a call, you guys come out, and what do you do? What are you going to look for, and what are you going to tell us at the end?
So in the air
Hopefully
conditioner or on when it's the heating side, the heat pump side of it, we go through, we check out all your refrigerant or freon levels, we check all your amp draws, there's capacitors, make sure all the electrical connections are good. So we'll go through, and our goal is to try and find any small issues that you would have on your unit that would prevent a catastrophic failure. Because a lot of them can be a simple $200 repair, but if that's not taken care of, it's a capacitor for a motor, and it can cause that motor or compressor to go out that's now $2,000-$3,000 repair.
And you know what, that is really something to address right now, because a lot of people, they're struggling right now. There's a lot of gas prices and everything's gone up, but you don't want to not spend that $200 now that might cost you so much later, right?
Yeah.
So it's hard to know when to know.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I know, I get it. And that's why we on our maintenance plan, we suggest we come out once in the fall for the heating system.
Okay.
So we want to come out before you turn on the heater so we can check it out, make sure it's good to go.
I love
and then
that.
the same for the air conditioner. We'll come out in the spring for the air conditioning. We'll do that checkup before the summer hits. And then we'll come out once a year for the plumbing and do an inspection, flush your hot water heater, go through that process. And then we'll do the same with electrical. We'll come out once a year for the electrical system, go through it in your house, make sure you don't have any bad connections, bad GFIs, so if stuff trips, you're safe.
Right, because when it goes out, then you're in big trouble.
Yes.
Then.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the Penguin plan. What is that? Is that the maintenance plan you're talking about?
That's our Penguin plan. It covers all three services, 4 if you include heating, so air conditioning, heating, plumbing, and electrical.
Okay.
And so we'll come out and do a visit on one of those every year, so you'll actually get 4 visits a year.
Okay.
And then it includes benefits like right now in the summer, priority service. So if you call as a member, you get moved up to the top of the line.
Okay.
And sometimes we get booked out a day or two, so that's important. It saves you 2 nights in a hotel. You get moved to the top of the line priority list wise, and then you'll get benefits on your discounts as well. You'll get 20% discount on repairs, 10% discount on new unit purchases.
Wow.
So you get a lot of other benefits
There's
as well.
a lot of benefits for becoming a Penguin.
Yeah.
I just made that up for you. All right. Good information. You're welcome. You can have it. All right.
I can use that.
You can. It's all yours. Good information, Jay, as always. All right. Here's more information for you. If you need your AC service repaired, replaced, or maybe your electrical or your plumbing, you can be a Penguin. You can become part of the Penguin plan. Call Penguin Air Plumbing and Electrical at 480-747-6801, or you can visit the website. You can also make your appointments online at penguinair.com.